Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Microsoft Designer and creating a new project. Choose the correct canvas size for your final use. Once done, upload or drag your images, logos, and any brand fonts into the Assets panel so you can reuse them quickly. Make sure to set your brand colors using HEX codes to keep consistency. While you work, name the project and save a copy. This prevents accidental overwrites and lets you revert to the original layout. You now assemble the design by choosing a suggested layout or building from blank. Designer offers variations. Pick one and swap images instantly. Then set text hierarchy so viewers scan correctly. Heading, subhead, and body, adjusting sizes and weights for contrast. Once those elements are placed, refine spacing and alignment using the grid and snap guides. Apply your saved color styles to buttons and accents. Finally, group related elements to keep the layout stable as you iterate. You finish by previewing the design at full screen and checking legibility at 100% zoom on different backgrounds. Once satisfied, export choosing PNG, JPG, or PDF and set quality, resolution, or bleed for print. Make sure DPI is correct for print jobs. If something looks off, use undo or the version history to revert, or hide and replace the problematic layer. That resolves most layout glitches quickly. One key troubleshooting step: clear cache and re-upload assets if thumbnails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.